Hi traders, this video is an introduction video of my new video series where I am going to show you all the steps of the creation of a DayTrader robot. I don't know how many of you watched all my videos or many of my videos, but I am generally not a day trader, but I have every tool to create a profitable day trading strategy. And I am also a coder, and I coded hundreds of EAs for MT4, MT5 and CRGO for traders, and those ones included day traders as well. So I know many things about this kind of algorithm as well, and it is a huge challenge for me, but I started to test a little bit and I realized how easily I can implement all my knowledge about algorithms, about testing, about robustness testing, stress testing into a great day trader algorithm. And in today's video I am going to tell you what are the structures I am going to include in this series. First of all, the number one and key factor is that this day trader will be tested on 20-year data, and it is going to work without martingale, without grid, without averaging, without any of the dangerous strategies. So if the EA, if the algorithm is going to pass the 20-year tick data testing, it is going to have a great potential to be great on a live account as well. But this is not the only thing. In this robot, I am going to include and develop by small steps different dynamic exits, different stop loss methods, and I'm going to try out different methods like ATR based stop loss and how much is the optimal multiplier for that. And I am going to include 1, 2, 3 or even 8 dynamic exits. So our exits are going to be precise enough to pass the 20-year testing. This robot is going to work only on one currency pair because it is better for a video content, in my opinion, and I can focus on the important things this way through this series. And I also want to add that I am going to upload the EA to MQL5, and with every video I will update it. So anyone who wants to try it out and follow this whole video series with also trading with the robot from the beginning, or you can join the middle of the video series as well, you can do that, and you are going to get the updates as well along the way, and any new set files and stuff. And also, of course, a real professional EA, a real professional algorithm can't live without robustness testing. So in this series I am going to use softwares to analyze the robustness of the robot, and one of them is the quant analyzer, and especially the Monte Carlo analysis with many simulations, and also about the strategy. The strategy is going to be based on price action patterns and confirmation indicators. And as with any strategy, I will develop it with constantly testing, trying out new confirmation indicators and things that can add to the strategy. For example, a time filter, a max spread filter, a filter that is going to eliminate trades in, for example, a highly ranging market, and for the dynamic exit, a minimum pips and minimum minutes amount, and all of this stuff. If you are interested in this video series, let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel, because it's going to be one of the most important video series in the Forex YouTube history. Ciao!